that's what they do. Then he tried a brand new thing. Every time he'd ring a bell, ding, bell plus food again, again. Brains made links inside them bend. Ding, 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 now they know. Hear the bell and drool will flow. Food or not, they still react. Learning changed a simple fact. That's conditioning, can't you see? Brains learn by repeat. Happen side by side, your brain connects them deep inside. Just like dogs who learn the bell, that's how learning works so well. Ding, 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 now they know.